Mic check, mic check. Alright, great, great. How's everyone doing? Sorry for the technical difficulties. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So, for you guys that don't know, I'm Sunny the SoL SoVereign. I gotta be a little bit low right now. My lady is doing a presentation for her job right now in the other room, but we're gonna go ahead and try to do this. So right here, if you guys can see, I got the Bitcoin chart up. And man, yesterday I said if we could stay over 23K, that I'd be a bullish man for the medium term, for like the next month or so. And right now, so we're looking at it on the daily. It's passing that 231-day moving average. I want to go ahead and put up a 200-day moving average quick. So how do we do this? It's been a while since I added a new moving average, so bear with me. Well, we got this 50-day moving average, which I don't use much, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this into the 200-day moving average. Alright, so what I would like to see for Bitcoin on the daily is to really pass that 77-day moving average. Right now, our pips are about to go ahead and touch that 77-day moving average. We would like that to cross it. Not just the pips cross it, but we would like the pips to go ahead and also bring that 21-day moving average to go ahead and cross that 77-day moving average. If that 21-day moving average can cross that 77-day, I'll be a bullish man for the next, month or so. But yeah, that's my opinion on Bitcoin. Me looking at it, I see that we're on like our third, maybe fourth leg down already. So some type of consolidation or move to the upside is needed. But again, this is that we are in a super cycle on the upside, super cycle on the downside, super cycle consolidation. Who knows? But we do have a lot of money floating around that does not know where it needs to be. So a move to the upside seems to me like the most logical thing to do. But then again, like I said in many of my past videos, that this crypto market is going to start moving like a stock market. Like I remember a year ago, Bitcoin's going up. It's Bitcoin season. All coins are cooling down. Ethereum starts going up. It's Ethereum season. Ethereum's always lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin. Ethereum starts consolidating, then it goes by market cap. But right now, I don't even see that trend. Following those type of laws. I don't see. Right now is literally Bitcoin, Ethereum, has a lot of things going on, trying to become proof of stake. You got all these other smart contract ecosystems that are trying to do everything that Ethereum can't do well and maximize on those areas. Um, but yeah, so like I said, Bitcoin, I like to see this price pip past that 77-day moving average, and that would be, we're talking 25, 26K. Um, if it can't, we might see another, just bounce off that yellow line and come back down for another leg down. Yeah, I just see if it don't go up now, it's probably gonna have another leg down here soon. All right, so let's go to Matic. Again, if you guys don't know, I'm doing these NFTs, and all the profits of these NFTs will be going to the SoL SoVereign Vault. One second, guys. That piece of hair, like, kind of freaking me out. But anyways, so as I was saying, all the profits of me selling these NFTs is gonna go to the SoL SoVereign Vault. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that vault now. So as you guys can see, this is the SoL SoVereign Vault. We're holding 100% Matic at the moment. We are looking for our exit price to take profit. We're gonna go ahead and leave our profits in there, take out our initial investment, and put that into something else. We are working with a very, very, very little bit of money. It's even embarrassing to say, but we're gonna go ahead and work on being disciplined, work on our enter and exit strategies, and yes, again, all the profits from selling these SoL SoVereign NFTs will be going to the SoL SoVereign Vault, and from there, our plan is, and we're still working on this, but our plan is to basically create more Afro-American and Afro-Latin American centralized and decentralized ecosystems like that. We can, trade, sell, buy our, digital and physical assets among each other more easily and a little, with more trust and whatnot. So that's the goal. So we're basically gonna be like an on-chain VC and NFT incubator. And yeah, we're trying to fill up. And grow our community with great genius minds that love to trade, love to learn about law around crypto and finance, and just want to become overall sovereign. So that's the goal. So that's why you see me taking a look at these charts, staying up to date with these protocols like that. When the time comes and it's time to manage our money correctly, we know where to we know where to keep it in, and safe places. So yeah, that's the goal. And as we grow our community, we're gonna be recruiting, putting people in the places that they need to be for the overall community to continue growing. And yeah, and then we're also gonna do something for we're gonna have something for all our communities. We are of course gonna have some type of onboarding course for our community, for the ones that want to learn a little bit more about digital finance and crypto, NFTs and so forth. That's the goal. And the big goal, the major plan, man, is to one day have our own little or our own big metaverse with our own services and product goods within that metaverse. Just a way to communicate and connect in a whole new way, and we need this new way of connection just for even for safety if you think about it in a certain way. But that's the goal of the SoL SoVereign community. The main focus as of right now is creating these NFTs, creating the ideas. They are not minted yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and call them NFTs because that's what they're gonna be. So I'm on number 6 right now. I'm still thinking about who I want to make my sixth person. All these people are for the most part as of now are all people that inspired me, motivated me, taught me in some type of way, shape, or form. And so without further ado, I want to get right back into the charts. So that's why we stay on top of these charts. We have this SoL SoVereign vault that we're going to be working and trying to work and grow the capital like that. We can have capital to deploy and invest in other people. I hope I'm not talking too low. I really hope I'm not talking too low. Check. I might be talking too low. Alrighty. So something cool that we're gonna really be on top of on here at the SoL SoVereign community. I really love how CoinGecko. So if you are not familiar with CoinGecko is like a website where you can come check out like the volume, the price action, the market cap on um, basically all your cryptos. I'm sorry if I'm talking funny. I'm just watching my mic, making sure the audio's coming out. Might want to lower the background music just a little bit, maybe. I still have to talk louder, but here we go. So yeah, CoinGecko is a website that basically shows you the price action and just the overall action of every crypto and ecosystem out there. And I like how they have it broken down up here. You see up here, you see cryptocurrency exchanges, NFTs, or crypto, the products that they offer. If we go here to cryptocurrencies, then go here where it says categories, click on that. You see they got them divided here between, you see Ethereum's ecosystem, the complete market cap of every project that's built on Ethereum that's bringing money. There's all the money that's floating around Ethereum's ecosystem. Here's just the last 24-hour value. I believe in the last 24 hours, that's how much money was moved around. Don't quote me. We're going to be learning. These are a number of projects of coins built on Ethereum. You see that 11,135. So I love how CoinGecko has this broken down, and we're going to be utilizing this on the daily. Every time we hop on here, you see smart contract platforms, so that consists of like Solana, BNB as well, other ecosystems that provide smart contract services. And smart contract could be such a broad term, but you wouldn't consider a smart contract protocol like, what's the one? Maybe something like synthetics. That's nothing like Ethereum ecosystem, and I may be wrong, but I'm pretty sure there's certain smart contract protocols that are just written for to do certain specific jobs. Basically meaning a generally small set of codes that perform a pivotal, beneficial task or job. But anyways, to continue going, we got BNB, Binance, Chain Ecosystem, Polygon's ecosystem, Avalanche, and stable coins. It has a whole bunch, even memes, NFTs. Here's Harmony. We if you guys don't know, I am holding some Harmony, one coin, and I am invested into the DeFi kingdoms. Currently staking some, you know, currently staking some jewels. You see here we got governance tokens. I can't wait to learn a little bit more about that. Here we got metaverses. We're really gonna dive into that because we want to stay updated on which metaverse is having the most traction, because that's where we want to build projects and build, our ideas and presence at. If you guys are following me, man, I'm trying to talk, good, well. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna really stay on top of the metaverse. Privacy coins. I just really love how they got this broken down. Oracle, man. What's funny, if we look in Oracle, right? If we look in here, you see Chainlink, and I promise you guys, I haven't really heard of none of these other projects ever. Maybe I may have seen them, but man, I haven't even looked in the white paper or anything. So it just goes to shit. It's just so weird looking at, this sector. And really, Chainlink, it seems like it has no competitors. If we look here at the market cap, no competitors at all. This thing has 3,459,590,038 in market cap. The next one has, oh my god, let me see, a 1/30th of that, if I'm doing fractions right, and I may not be. Like 24 hour, in the last 24 hour, only $16 million. And there's Oracle. There's an Oracle protocol, which can take real life data and place it on the blockchain. How is it done? Don't ask me. I'm not a coder. I'm not a developer. But this kind of protocol is super important, especially for the DeFi sector, where they're trying to stay decentralized, and they don't want a centralized server, feeding them the data, because that's where things can get messy. So yeah, it's just pretty cool to see how Chainlink has no competitors at all, and we have to stay on top of Chainlink more. I know they have their staking coming up soon, if not already. You know what? While we're at it, why not look it up? Let's look it up. Chainlink staking. Again, man, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Sunny, SoL SoVereign, and we here learning about everything about crypto. We're gonna stay updated, for the years to come. For the years to come. If you guys want to be sovereign, can you drop a 1 on the comments? If you guys want to be sovereign, drop a 1 on the comments. And I'm talking about sovereignty financially, spiritually, physically. We need all that. So really, like I said, Chainlink is a much needed protocol in the space. This staking whole deal, it just seems like it is just a way to incentivize, the people that are, checking and improving and figuring out these transactions and whatnot. That's mostly what I'm getting out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to read this out loud to y'all. Or the initial implementation of Chainlink staking. Before outlining some of the initial parameters and design decisions planned for launch, it's important to note that Chainlink staking will evolve over time, especially as more Oracle networks across a wide range of services accrue greater amounts of fees. higher and to expanding scope and adding more complexity to the staking design. The rollout of the staking mechanism will be similar to Chainlink price feeds, which went from a single ETH USD price feed on Ethereum operated by 3 Oracle nodes to now operating nearly 1,000 price feeds powered by 50 plus leading node operators across 12 blockchains and layer 2 solutions. This pragmatic approach allowed risk and opportunities to be identified in the early stages of the implementation before scaling to meet growing user demand. Following this approach, Chainlink staking will evolve across multiple versions. With the initial version 0.01 release projected for later this year. The first release focuses on introducing a reputation framework and staker alerting system. After a sufficient validation from in-production usage and community feedback, a V1 release will introduce additional functionality such as the slashing of stake for stronger crypto economic security and the incorporation of user fees as rewards. So like I said, man, this is just, incentives for Chainlink, you know, operators to do a good, better job. Like I said, they're taking it slow. Um, like they said, they're taking it slow. They're gonna evolve as they go. As fees grow, they'll adjust. And yeah, I got high hopes for this. Again, Chainlink has like basically no competitors, and that's the main reason why I'm so bullish on Chainlink. So if you guys haven't, put that in your notes, like Ian Dunlap says. Put that in your notes. Chainlink has no competitors. Um, right now, market cap of Chainlink. Let's go ahead and look. Chainlink's market cap 3,459,590,038. I'm gonna go ahead, take a quick 3-4 minute break. I'll be back around 11:31, you guys. What's up, you guys? Sorry about that. I am back. For people who just joining in, I'm SoL SoVereign. We're going over the markets, going over some news updates, and again, if you guys don't know, I'm creating some NFTs. I'm creating some NFT ideas. I'm not sure. Do you call them NFTs before it's even minted, before it's even an actual non-fungible token? I don't know. If you guys know the answer to that, let me know in the comments. But anyways, yeah, I'm creating 100 unique NFTs. I don't know how many there's gonna be in total, but 100 unique NFTs, and all the profits will be going to the SoL SoVereign Vault, where we're gonna go ahead and invest back into our community. Initially, we're gonna go ahead and grow that capital until we have, enough capital where we can invest in other people in our community efficiently. That's the goal. And so, yeah, in our community, we're trying to grow a community of, whatever. I'm gonna just go ahead and say it, day traders, swing traders. If you're into, technical analysis, on-chain analysis, if you're into just staying up to, laws and bills and things of that nature, please come join the Discord. We're trying to grow people. We're trying to grow the community, and as we're growing, recruit. And yeah, we're trying to do this the right way, slow and steady. Once the community is, starting to crawl, and we recruited some talent. We're gonna go ahead and build an educational course for our fellow members that want to learn a little bit more, um, and want to maybe learn just how to hold. I don't know. The game plan's still not set in stone, because remember, this community is gonna probably be more a community of, what's the word, novices, because of the trades that we're gonna be doing, the holdings and whatnot. Not really the trades that we're gonna be doing, because we're gonna keep it simple, but just the way we're gonna explain things. Not everyone's gonna get it. It's funny. It's funny, it's just the whole learning curve of this, but yeah, we're trying to. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to shorten that learning curve for for a lot of folks. But we're really trying to onboard a lot of Afro Americans, Afro Latin Americans, um, a lot of the minorities. So we go ahead and start trading these digital and physical resources among each other in a more equal and safe and hassle-free manner. So without further ado, let's get right back into it. Let's go back, cryptocurrencies category. And who do we want to look up? Who do we want to look up? So again, Chainlink, no competition. I want to say it has like 30 times more of the number 2 Oracle protocol. SoL ecosystem, we gotta look more into that. Look more into that. Let's go ahead and see what kind of news we got going on. Also, if you guys don't know, I will be dropping a video soon of I'm interviewing a very special guest, coder, developer, really into space, follows the crypto markets. Um, and yeah, so we're gonna be talking, chatting it up, chatting about what's going on in the markets, what he got going on in his life, and his opinion on again the overall markets, um, his opinion on adoption, his opinion on these bills that are coming in. Um, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun chat. So you guys stay tuned. That's gonna be Sunday. We're gonna be chatting it up, and I'll probably have the video up by Monday, hopefully. This is gonna be my first video interview, so you guys please cross the fingers for me. Hopefully, ain't no crazy technical issues going on, but there always is. There's always is. What is this? Polygon launches new scaling solution to further cut costs on Ethereum. I'll go ahead and read this out loud. Polygon launches new scaling solution to further cut costs on Ethereum. Polygon ZK EVM, ZK Zero Knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine is Polygon's Ethereum compatible zero knowledge scaling solution that aims to outpace Visa's transaction throughput. Web3 infrastructure provider Polygon today announced the launch of Polygon ZK EVM Zero Knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is set to be the first Ethereum compatible scaling solution that uses the cryptographic method called Zero Knowledge Proof. Previous, Previously known as Matic Network, Polygon is an interoperability and scaling protocol for launching Ethereum-compatible blockchain. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types of decentralized application. Polygon's first teased Zero Knowledge EVM at ECC Paris in July 2021 and said it is designed to work effortlessly with all existing smart contracts, developer tools, and wallets while also creating less user friction by removing the need for any kind of modification or re-implementation of code. The holy grail of Web3 infrastructure should have three major properties: scalability, security, and Ethereum compatibility. So forget about decentralization. Mahilo, the co-founder of Polygon, said in a statement shared with Decrypt. So he describes ZK EVM as a breakthrough technology that finally achieves that, opening a new chapter of mass adoption, while noting that until now it has not been practically possible to offer all these properties at once. Polygon 0K EVM key promises includes a significant reduction of current layer 1 Ethereum network costs, about 90%, by the team's estimate, as well as a dramatic increase in throughput compatibility, all while inheriting the security of the Ethereum blockchain. It's difficult to provide performance comparison for ZK EVM at this stage, but we are working towards increasing throughput to approximately 2,000 transactions per second. According to him, that would be on par with global payments processor Visa, which processed roughly 1,700 transactions per second on average. A benchmark Ethereum will have to match or surpass to become the foundation of Web3, or the new, the payment processing, people of Web3. That's the goal, huh? I guess that's that spot people want. Polygon to reduce withdrawal times. So there's a very interesting article. I'm gonna go ahead and slap into Discord. Again, if you guys haven't already, come join the Discord. Yeah, if you like, you know what I mean? If you like staying up to date with the crypto markets, technical analysis, and whatnot, come join the Discord. We talk about smart contracts, Bitcoin, Polygon's ecosystem, Oracle protocol, stable coins, and new crypto bills, general crypto news, blockchain gains, watch to earn metaverse events. Talk about metaverse. Why don't we go ahead? Actually, while we're here, let's continue seeing what's going on in the decrypt land. Yeah, just reading this crypto bill, man. We need people that this is the type of people we trying to recruit. People that could read these type of bills and simplify it in a way like 3, 4 sentences. What's going on? Yada yada yada. By who? Yada yada yada. That's the way I want to absorb my information, man, so we could be more efficient with it. So if there's a passion of yours, please DM me. Come join the Discord. Follow me on YouTube. All the stuff that's playing out there. TikTok, Twitter, especially on Twitter. Um, yeah, man. Yeah. We've been on here for about 41 minutes. It's been a good 41 minutes as well. It's probably one of my favorite eps. So Bitcoin, they treating it as a commodity. This is actually kind of confusing me. So all fungible digital assets are gonna be considered basically commodities. Um, Actually, I may be wrong, so don't quote me. Bitcoin may soon see new legislation that would define the asset class as a commodity, leaving years of legal uncertainty behind it. A bipartisan congressional attempt to grant authority over the crypto industry to the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, as opposed to the Securities and Exchange Commission, which has historically held sway over the industry, may move to a vote as soon as the end of the year, according to Senator Christian Gellibrand, a co-sponsor of the bill who spoke at this year's Bloomberg Crypto Summit. The Agriculture Committee is finalizing their bipartisan part of the bill. Gillibrand told Bloomberg on Tuesday. The New York senator added that there was serious common ground forming. Recent chaos in the crypto market, she added, has generated additional interest among senators concerned about investor protections and a lack of proper oversight and accountability. The bill, titled the Responsible Financial Innovation Act, is co-sponsored by Gillibrand and Senator Cynthia Lummis and will go before the Congressional Agriculture Committee, which oversees commodities markets because of its historic role in grain future markets, turning Bitcoin crypto into commodity. This bill is hugely popular in the cryptocurrency industry and proposes to effectively franchise the SEC, which has long equivocated on the legal status of most cryptocurrencies, resulting in years of legal gray area. Under the new bill, fungible digital assets, which are not securities, will be classified as commodities. Unlike securities, commodities are subject to fewer restrictions on who can invest. The definition of a security, according to the century-old Howey test, is an asset in which an expectation of profit derives from the work of a distinct third party. Crypto lobbyists argue that digital tokens do not fall under this rubric and include ancillary assets. Okay, that's the word I'm looking for. Tokens that are only partly decentralized but still don't meet the criteria of the Howey test. Under the CFTC's jurisdiction, but would require them to make certain additional disclosures. However, while Bitcoin is generally agreed to be a commodity, said Gillibrand, there remains significant debate over which other cryptocurrencies fall into that category. The question of what else qualifies as a commodity and what else qualifies as a security. We have a pretty robust definition that we worked with SEC staff on. And we worked with industry experts on to make sure we really refine the definition so there could be clarity, said Gillibrand. I think where the debate which is fits. I'm so sorry, guys. I think where the debate will be is which fits into which definition. But that's exactly what we want the regulators to do. Senator I stablecoins. Other parts of the bill proposing increased oversight of stablecoins included in the wake of Terra's spectacular collapse earlier this year are likely to go vote next year, Gellibrand said. She said this was in part due to the complexity of the topic and relative newness to a large number of senators. It's a big topic and comprehensive and is still new to many U.S. senators, and it's a lot for them to digest with the few remaining weeks we have in this calendar year, Lemon said. She added that many senators were yet to be able to tell the difference between payment stablecoins and algorithmic stablecoins, from changing who regulates crypto, taking aim at stablecoins, and even throwing in cybersecurity provisions. The latest bill could dramatically rearrange how the industry moves forward, and given the years of uncertainty, guardrails for the industry may just be what the doctor ordered. It also sounds they need someone in our government to step in and say, hey, look, you guys ain't doing it right. Look at all this is going on. We need more centralization. We need more security, and whatnot. Um, so yeah, we're gonna stay on top of this CFTC. And yo, if you guys are taking notes, write that down. I'm gonna go ahead and write it down as well. So you got commodity, you got your securities, and you got your ancillary assets. Ancillary assets. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this article again in the Discord. You guys have it. Come join this Discord. This Discord Bobby on and popping. And if you like learning with other people, you want to learn with other great minds, this is the place to be. Go ahead and turn on some they saying Bitcoin mining was making Texas too hot? I'm reading this a little fast. So, hold on. So, again, Everyone that's just jumping in, I'm Sunny SoL SoVereign. We over here looking at the market, getting some market updates, looking at some technical analysis on the charts. Um, right here we got Matic versus USD or NUSD, or what we like to call now Polygon, the scaling solution for Ethereum. Um, we're looking at this right now because this is what we're holding 100% in our SoL SoVereign vault. If you don't know, the SoL SoVereign vault is where is initially the treasury for the SoL SoVereign community, and we are slowly trying to grow this vault to a size where we can then deploy capital to our community and our great minds um, for a return of investment, but for the overall good and sustainability of our community. So we're trying to build physical and digital communities. Um, with that being said, let's jump right back into it. Like I said yesterday, um, we are holding 100% Matic, or what we call Polygon. This sun right here, this little symbol right here, this is our exit price. So around $1.20 is where we're gonna go ahead and leave our profits in and take out our initial investment, um, and then go ahead and invest into something else. Most likely, we're gonna go ahead and jump into Link. Um, so yeah, not much fun we're working with in the SoL SoVereign community, but we're just working on trying to become disciplined and consistent. Super important, super key. Or like 19 keys, like to say, super key. But yeah, that's the game plan. As I see right now, I'm super bullish. I'm a bullish man on Matic. I can see us hitting our $1.20 in the very short term. I'm talking about within the next week. Yep, you guys go ahead and say that Sunny SoL SoVereign said that Polygon is going to be somewhere around $1.20 within the next week. Why do I say this? Well, here we're looking at Matic on the daily, and we see that 21-day moving average about to cross that 77-day moving average. If it can completely cross that, man, I'm bullish. I'm a bullish man. I'm a bullish soul. And then make sure our price pips can make find some type of support on the 21-day moving average. I would love to see that. So even if it makes support on the 77-day moving average, that'd be great. But yeah, that's my plan. Hopefully it hits $1.20, so we go ahead and leave our profits there and take out our initial investment, which I ain't gonna hold you. What was that? $70, I think. So we're gonna leave probably $40 in there. Or I think we probably put 60 in there, and we're probably gonna leave 60 in there. Actually, no. But yeah, I'm actually take out a little bit more than the. I'm thinking leaving 50 and then taking out the 100, because that's a easier way to keep track of these percentages, especially when explaining to other people. So go ahead, leave our profits, which would be like $50 in there. Take out our initial investment, which we would say is $100. Really, we didn't start out like that, but that's how we wanna. That's how we're gonna go ahead and roll this. Um, Again, I'm Sunny SoL SoVereign, and $1.20 is our target price. Super bullish on seeing this red line, the 21-day moving average, cross that 77-day. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 200-day moving average, just because I want to start getting familiar with it. We are gonna start following some stocks, probably some indexes. Shout out to Ian and that whole Earn Your Leisure team. Yeah, that's the plan there. going on with Twitter?
as artists isn't about appeasing the crowd. Rather, it's about tending to the broken parts inside of ourselves. We create things as a reflection of this struggle, to study our perception of self. Ben Wave isn't necessarily a thing you achieve. Rather, it is a state of mind which you constantly strive toward. This all comes from an understanding that ideas aren't static, but fluid, like water. Be like water.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm still here. Gonna get back on and creating these NFTs. Right now, I had to resize this while I'm making a whole new one, but the other ones are still good. I'm still here. Let's get back into it.